quick video on the Mtm Casegaurd gun vise. Got this the other day. It comes unassembled, so you have to put these rubber mounts on here, attach this clamping mechanism. It's all straightforward. Hinge here, put this rubber mount on here. It's a good quality item actually. It gets all my bits on. Get me gun oil out, so storage for gun oil. Get me gun oil off there. My barricade wipes. My cloth. Then there's me bore cleaner. Me little punch to get in to take out the drifts, to clean your guns. A little sliding rack, some other Allen keys, a little watchmaker's, a little knife and all that. Patches, some in there rounds. Just like I say, you put whatever you want on it really. Quality piece of kit really. This is a good little idea as well. You got your this for holding your cleaning rods. You just put it back on. I had to slightly adapt this one because the mounting holes are on this side, whereas I wanted it on this side, so I just replicated the holes either side, so I could change the mounting to the side I required it. Holds the gun well. Makes cleaning a lot easier. No more tricky having to balance it with one hand while you clean it. 56 quid I believe, 57 quid. So if you're in the market for one, I'd recommend it. And once again, it ticks all my boxes. So I'll put that back. Put my cloth over. My barricade wipes. Cleaning oil, and I just put this in that gap there. There's a gap here that I've sorted for where it lives. Good for the job. So if you're in the market for one, as I say, recommend it. The Mtm Casegaurd vise.